How to verify identity on Monese app. So if you would like to verify your identity after you've created your account on the Monese app, it is quite simple to do so. All you have to do is maybe during the sign up process or later, it will ask you to basically choose what type of ID you have. So select your country and select the type of ID that you have. Once you've selected that, it will ask you to allow the camera and the microphone access. So make sure you go ahead and allow those. Then once done, it will ask you to get verified. So tap on the start session option. So you read all of this. So it says prepare a valid government issued a document, make sure your device's camera is working, be prepared to take a selfie and photo of your ID. So all you have to do right here is take the photo of the front side of the page, and then once you take a selfie, it will verify the selfie with the photo there. If there is a problem in the photo, it will also show you, and just make sure and wait until the photo has been uploaded. Once done, it will ask you for a couple of more questions. So once you've done all of this process, your account will be successfully verified, and this way you should be able to go ahead and then basically verify your account or identity on Monese. If you have any further questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.